How to get money on Cash App. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to get money on Cash App, whether it's receiving payments from others, requesting money, or adding funds to your balance. So make sure to watch till the end, and let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your device. Now, if someone is sending you money, they can send money using your Cashtag, phone number, or email linked to your Cash App. Once they send the payment, it will instantly appear in your Cash App balance. That's it, no waiting, no hassle. But if you need to ask someone for money, simply enter the amount you want to request. Tap the Request button. A new window will pop up. Choose the person you want to request money from. Add a note if you want, then tap Request again. Once they approve and send the money, it will be added to your Cash App balance instantly. Other than that, you can add money to your Cash App balance. To do this, tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner of the home screen. Select Add Money. Enter the amount you want to add, then tap Add. Since my account hasn't that much of balance, therefore it's showing error. Confirm the transaction. Make sure your bank account or debit card is linked to Cash App for this option to work. And that's it. Now you know how to get money on Cash App in multiple ways. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.